Philadelphia D&M is the leader in the Philadelphia market, South Jersey market, Philadelphia suburb market in the carpentry outfit.
And we have a crew of about 10 guys who are doing anything from top of wall fire spray, penetrations in firewalls to edge of slab.
As a company, we prefer to use STI Firestop products. We feel they're beneficial in many ways. They have a wide variety of applications, and also we feel that your customer service and from your product rep as well as from your technical sales part is bar none the best compared to all the other competitors.
Jared Stewart from STI is our contact. Always walks it with me, answers any questions I have.
We use STI is for the support.
We're lucky we got him out here.
We're using the silicone spray for slab edge application, the caulkable silicone for all of our floor penetrations, so we make each floor water impenetrable pretty much. We're using LCI for all the above ceiling penetrations through fire rated walls, and the smoke and sound for every penetration going through a smoke and sound walls. We're also using putty pads on various applications, including electrical boxes, as well as composite sheet to fire rate all medical zone valve boxes and fire rated walls.
Zero issues with it. It's simple to use. The representatives have been very helpful in any questions we have as far as their UL systems, the application of the material.
A contractor like us use one product, being labeled properly, and giving the customer a safe building when it's time to sign off. There's no delays when we use STI. No phase of our project will be delayed waiting for answers.